What's up guys, it's Rick with Crown Rick Auto, and in this video I'm going to show you what's inside 3 of the mystery boxes that went out for October. And I'm also getting ready to pack up some mystery boxes that are going out November and December. The December mystery boxes are all guaranteed to include a pair of handcuffs with keys in a pouch, one Federal Signal Corporation PA 300 with a mic. Every single one of them is a little different. Each box will also include a Crown Rick Auto patch, the Velcro back, and a bunch of other random goodies. Also, stick to the end. I will announce the handcuff winners. Alright guys, here's the video. Red and blue LED dash light, signed by me. Dog shock collar, found in one of the police cars. Vision Federal Signal controller. And this is the bracket that goes to it, and then that connects from here to here. This one has been tested before, so this one works 100% guaranteed. Low jack device, mic holder, Ford emblem, diamond selector, scrub brush. Told you you're gonna get random things in here. Crown Rick Auto t-shirt, pretty cool. Alright, so that's box number 1. Let's go to box number 2. A bat, a light up LED light, creepy spiders, thank you note, a flasher module, passenger vehicle manual, pretty interesting things in here, dome light, a spotlight handle, not sure what this is, some refrigerator magnets, LED dash light, signed by Crown Rick Auto, narrow stick controller, flasher lights, map light, some switches and wiring, gun lock, Touchmaster Delta with the mic. Not sure what this is. Kind of looks like a camera, but I can't tell. Something in there, some type of sensor, motion, infrared, optical detector, emblem, LED light, some evidence tent, handcuff, brand new, Crown Rick Auto patch, Sheffield, Crown Rick Auto t-shirt, Junior Officer Hayward Police sticker, Heaven banknotes, National Rifle Association embossed metal sign. Now we're going to box number 3. Scary cat, Signal Master with the bracket, some light, charge guard, handcuffs, armor forensics bag, evidence tents 7 to number 14, Cobra, a multi-tool. It's got all the cool stuff in here. A firefighter metal pencil holder. This is pretty cool. I used to have this around my office for a while, but now I don't have an office, so you can have it. New office coming soon though. Touchmaster Federal Signal. I love the sound that the Touchmaster Delta makes. Crown Rick Auto patch, some Heaven banknotes. This is the mic for the Federal Signal. A steady burn light with the cover. I think that's to hide it or something. I don't know. What's in here? Hideaway lights. Crown Rick Auto t-shirt. Another refrigerator magnet. And an embossed metal sign that reads, "Real heroes don't wear capes." This is pretty cool. So there you go. That's what is inside the Crown Rick Auto mystery boxes. Alright guys, down in the description there is a link where you can buy your own mystery box. Also where you can buy your Crown Rick Auto Blue Line patch. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys real soon. Later. Okay, so this is what the Crown Rick Auto patches look like. Is that a criminal? Whoa, 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 step back. Step back. I'll tase you right now. Dude, I will tase you. Who sent you? Damn it, we got a runner. Come here. Get on the ground. What are you doing here?
Today's Halloween. I just wanted candy.
Who sent you? The funny man sent you?
No.
What are you doing here?
Today's Halloween. I just wanted candy.
What?
Today's Halloween. I just wanted candy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot today was Halloween. Oh.
Get away, crazy man.
Get out the street.